the essence of truth remains the same throughout the ages. And the novelty of the lectures we give is that a means of ascertaining truth, which was not before available, became available. And we then had a way of going back over spiritual and religious history throughout all of time and reaffirming and discovering and clarifying many things. So the books that we've been writing have to do with clarification because spiritual reality is difficult to comprehend by the mind. And what's been written about it over the centuries has sometimes been misleading. Plus, there is a great deal that is erroneous in what is considered to be spiritual literature.